Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with the as promised cut crease tutorial. I've been having so much fun doing this look for the last couple of days, and I found a little hack to get it done a little bit easier, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So on that note, go ahead and grab your eyeshadows and let's get wild. So we're starting off with the Laura Mercier eye primer in the color Wheat. This was a 100-point reward from Sephora, and by no means is it one of my favorite primers. I feel like it's actually harder to blend your shadows with it. And I'm going in with the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 2, and with my ELO 12, which is a fluffy blending brush. I'm going in with the color Mojito, starting from kind of the inner corner into the crease and just flaring out to sort of a wing shape. But we're definitely going to define this look a little more later on. So this is really going to be your secret weapon in this entire look. The Makeup Forever HD Concealer in shade 10 and the ELO 15 brush, or just kind of a square detailing brush that you can start kind of patting on and make the second shade you want to look more prominent on the eyelid. Make sure to pack it on and try not to blink too hard or anything, because you do want that to dry. The great thing about this concealer is that it doesn't need a powder to set. Then going in with the ELO 18 flat brush or concealer brush, I'm patting on the color Azúcar right to where I put the concealer, and the concealer just makes the color a lot more vibrant and sharper. And last up, to make this look as unique as possible, we're going in with our Sigma Bent Liner B12 and the Inglot 68 AMC Gel Liner. These liners are amazing. The colors are vibrant, they always stand out, and when they dry, they do not move. So you're just going to go ahead and trace over that line you've kind of made between the two shadows, and it just ends up looking very sharp. Don't be afraid to have to go over it a couple times, especially with a color like 68. Then we're using the Super Fan Smashbox Mascara. Mascara is not really a big deal because we are going to put on fake lashes, and I'm doing a great job at falling out of the frame. So going in with Ash Lash Dolly Lashes, which are foam ink and vegan and freaking amazing. Just go ahead and stick those onto your eyeballs. Don't worry, fake lash video how-to coming soon. I'll remember to stay in the frame for that one. And this is your finished look. So thank you guys so much for tuning in again. Keep looking out for my videos, keep looking out for my Instagram at Makeup by Salad. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you want to see next.